Ooh, whoa, now you're singing with a swing. Swing, 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 swing. Listen to the trumpet swing. Blow, 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 blow. Listen to the trombones go. When the music goes around, everybody goes to town. But it's something you should know. Oh, baby, oh, oh, oh. Sing, 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 sing. Everybody's trying to sing. Ooh, whoa, everybody go.
Hello gents, so behind us we've got a Dakota.
That's correct, yes.
And what's your names, gents?
I'm Dale, and this is Eric Rollins. Eric was a World War II veteran who served in Burma during 1943 to 1944, flying the Dakota, supplying the 14th Army with food and ammunition, whatever else they need, as well as a paratroop post.
Eric, how does it feel to be here today? You enjoying yourself? You liking what you see?
I think it's absolutely perfect, and to see so many people here, and so many people I realise are still interested in the RAF. When I realised that the RAF is only 3 years older than me.
I know you're 97, so yeah. And the Dakota, was it a nice plane to fly?
Beautiful.
Yeah.
It was. Well, after Kohima, Lord Mountbatten said that we thank the Spitfire for saving Britain, but he thanks the Dakota for saving Burma.
Once again, I think we all took for granted over the years, especially the Sea King. Some of us can remember back to the Wessex, some of you at the start of the world.
Hello sir, what's your name?
Mike Whelan.
Where are you from, Mike?
I live in Stourbridge.
And you're part of a reenactment group then?
Yes, the World War II RAF group.
Regular here at RAF Cosford?
We tend to. We normally come with an operations room, but today we've come as a dispersal group.
Yeah. Good day so far?
Very good day so far. We seem to be very popular.
So your period of dress, that's?
We're basically 1940 to 41. The Battle of Britain period up until September 1940 is our main.
Thank you, sir.
I really enjoy the displays as much.
Way to the person above and below them to do that display you can see there.
We're at Phantom Cockpit here, and this was your baby. It's what you used to have to fly.
It was. It was. This was XV490 when it had a rear end on it. Now it's just a cockpit. But it was my aeroplane for around about 6 months on the squadron at 92 Squadron at Wilmerath in Germany.
Was it a nice craft to fly as they go?
Yeah. It's. I think anybody that's ever flown the Phantom has a sort of affinity for it. It was a great aeroplane. Real charisma. And yeah, I flew it for probably 10 years. I got about 2,000 hours on the aeroplane.
So now it's got a new life as to going around and entertaining the crowds.
It is, and it's great to be able to bring people and still see the cockpits. And these cockpits have been reproduced as they were back in the day, and it is almost perfect. And it's great to see the smiles when people climb in.
Isaac, what do you think? So get your thumbs up.
Hello there, my name is Richard Perks. I'm looking after this aeroplane today, which is the Bolt & Pull Defiant Mark 1. It's a pretty unique aeroplane because it actually saw service in the Battle of Britain and then became a night fighter a little bit later. And only built 20 miles from Cosford by Bolt & Pull.
And there's only one of these in the world, that's right?
Yeah, there is only one of these in the world.
And initially it was mistook for a Hurricane, that's why it was so successful.
Yeah, it was designed as a bomber destroyer, but it was used, I guess, first in combat during the Dunkirk evacuation. And the Germans thought it was a fighter, and so tried to attack it from the back. And of course, with a 4-gun turret on the back, that was fairly fatal for them. But they soon sussed that out, and as time went by, it was no longer competitive in combat, and so it became a night fighter.